Hi, I'm Bob Murdock with Evolve Technology. I'm going to give you a quick look at using a controller with your Black Magic Constellation. This is the 2ME Advanced 20 controller, 2 MEs and 20 source buttons. The controller has a built-in Ethernet switch on the back. Plug your computer and the switcher into the Ethernet switch on the controller or an external switch if you prefer. Now you're ready to switch a show from the control surface. All basic functions are on the surface of the controller. Auto cut and auto trans. Background, wipe, DVE, and sting are all at your fingertips. Selection of wipe or DVE patterns is done on the built-in LCDs. Keys are located just above the mix section. In the next video, I'll show you how to tie in tallies with your Black Magic Constellation.